What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Dev V. That's 2 V's and 2 E's, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's wondering, yes, I did cut my hair a little bit more after my last video. If you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. It was a struggle, as those who saw know. But we're here, you know, and we still look presentable enough to go outside. Anyway, in today's video, I am going to be telling y'all about my experience with Curology. I have been bombarded with ads, emails, on every platform.
Ryan, Curology's calling on line 1.
Thank you, Aaron.
They really pushed that in the influencer space, and I commend them for that because I think that's a smart marketing tactic, and so much so that I even decided to try it out. And then I also knew once my friend decided to get in and try it, it must have been a sign for me to try it myself. I did the online test, I sent in my photos, and I got my trial package about a week later. So this is what my skin looked like before starting. I've got hormonal acne, which is just so much fun to deal with, and then recently I've been getting maskne, which I've heard some people call like acne around the place where your mask goes. I've been breaking out down there, which I never had before, and of course it has left a lot of dark spots and pigmentation on my face that I do not necessarily love. So yeah, the trial package is $4.99, $4.95. One of those two. You just pay for shipping, I'm pretty sure, for the first month. And it came in, you know, like this cute little box, and it had 3 mini products in it, and then of course the instructions. So first we have the wash. Next we have the customized product with ingredients made for your skin. This is like kind of what they use for you personally based off of what you submitted in your skin quiz at the beginning. And then we have the moisturizer, which is supposed to be extremely hydrating. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, there you go. That's the setup. And this became my skincare routine for the last almost month. Every morning and every night. Every morning, wash and moisturize. Every night, wash, put the customized product on, and then moisturize. And I did that every single day. And I'll let you know why I stopped. Spoiler alert. I stopped. So in the first week, I didn't see any changes in my skin, which obviously is normal. I don't expect anything to really change in the first week. It's not something that changes overnight. And then the second week, I also didn't see many changes, which I was actually happy about because I was scared it was going to break me out. And I figured that by 2 weeks, it would start showing signs of that, which it didn't. About 3 or 4 days later, I started breaking out into this rash that was all over my face. It wasn't bright red, it was a bunch of bumps that was my skin color all around here and on my cheeks, and then some of it went up above my eyebrow on one of the sides, and it was itchy, which was not the most fun thing. And Logan's going to join us. He was worried about it, clearly. And you know, obviously, you know, that should have been a telltale sign to stop, but I kept going, you know, that dedicated YouTuber life. It wasn't until the rash spread down to my neck, of which I wasn't even using the product on my neck. That's when I was like, you know, I'm gonna stop. This is it. It's time for me to get up and leave. Alright, I'm gonna head out. You know what I mean? He's checking out my skin right now to make sure it's all good. I was hopeful and kept using it because I know some of these products really do make your skin worse in the beginning before they get better. So like they're really bringing out all the imperfections and clogged pores and dirt and stuff out, and then your skin starts to get better. That was a thing, which, well, you know, I thought it was a thing, and then it wasn't. So, but like the rash, you know, that was it for me. Now I do believe Curology does work for some people. It just didn't work for me. And I'm not docking them in any way. I'm just sharing my experience. You know, I have no bad blood. I do want to say that they also offer you, if you are getting irritated, an opportunity to reach out to a dermatologist, let them know, and they'll like customize or like adjust your products. I just, you know, did I just didn't do that. So yeah, now the thing also that was really nice about Curology is that it was such a quick and easy, like 1, 2, 3. Like my skincare routine has more steps than that. And I do miss being in and out real quick, but I'm still recovering and trying to get this rash under control. It doesn't itch, but the bumps definitely are still there. Yeah, so I'm not, am I boring you? But you know, that's my review. That's the thing. And before I end, I have 2 really big announcements that I want to share. The first is that I'm doing Vlogmas this year, and I'm so excited. For those that don't know, Vlogmas is when you vlog, which is like you take a camera around with you all day, every day from December 1st all the way through Christmas. Some people do it through the end of the year. I'm probably going to stop at Christmas. I did it a couple years ago and it was a lot of fun, and I think that I'm going to be better at it now and I have better things planned. So definitely subscribe so you can get all the festive stuff. Your girl is festive. You know what I mean? Second announcement is that I am moving. I've been touring places and I have a ton of moving vlogs coming. But yeah, those are my 2 announcements. So definitely make sure to subscribe. I got a lot of fun content coming. I got Thanksgiving content coming next week. You know, I'm going to have a really cool intro. I hope. I have to finish planning it. And then Vlogmas. So we're going to have a fun rest of the year. We're going to go out of 2020 like a boss. Turn on the push notifications so you know when I upload. Trying every Sunday at 11 a.m. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say deuces low.